Beneath the waves lies a world darker and stranger than anything on land. From eerie sounds that baffle scientists to creatures no human has ever seen. Today, we're diving into the 5 creepiest unsolved mysteries of the deep sea. Brace yourself. What you're about to hear may make you think twice before venturing near the ocean again. Welcome to Uncharted Oddities, the channel where we explore the unexplained, the bizarre, and the downright mysterious. If you love strange facts and chilling tales from our world, smash the red button into gray. The first one is the Bloop. In 1997, the Bloop researchers from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration discovered an underwater sound that was so strong and peculiar that it was given the moniker, the Bloop. Over 5,000 kilometers in length, it came from somewhere in the South Pacific and was louder than any known marine animal. The sound's characteristics didn't fit any known phenomenon, so scientists first thought it might be caused by tectonic activity, ice quakes, or even giant whales. Some people believe it might be a huge, unidentified marine animal that is bigger than anything we could have ever thought of. Consider a creature so massive that it could rock entire ocean basins and stay completely concealed in the suffocating blackness of the deep. That's weird, right? Second, giant crustaceans of the Mariana Trench. In 2012, monsters that look like they belong in a nightmare can be found in the Mariana Trench, the lowest point on Earth. Larger crustaceans than ever before were captured on deep-sea cameras. Some were translucent, with meters of clawed limbs, and they moved across the ocean floor with uncanny accuracy. Their size and structure make it difficult for scientists to categorize them because they don't resemble any known species. Are these prehistoric survivors, mutated by intense pressure and darkness, or some unidentified branch of life flourishing where humans can hardly reach them? Third, ghost ships of the ocean. For centuries, sailors have been plagued by tales of spectral vessels idly floating in the middle of the ocean. Some show up with no crew, lifeboats gone, decks empty. In one well-known story, a freighter was seen off the coast of Newfoundland, its hull eerily intact and its windows broken. But there is no record of it ever sailing. Are these floating pieces of shipwrecks, eerily preserved by the frigid sea, or something much more ethereal? The legend has been further enhanced by radar, which has picked up anomalies where no vessel should be. Fourth, colossal squid sightings. A true giant of the deep, the colossal squid can reach a length of 14 meters. However, there are still unverified reports of even larger specimens in the ocean. Tentacles thick enough to crush a small boat, enormous eyes the size of dinner plates, and behaviors unheard of have all been reported by fishermen in Antarctic waters. The squid's entire biology is still unknown despite these sightings. How can a creature of its size endure in bitter cold, near complete darkness, and crushing pressure? Every encounter adds credence to the idea that stories about kraken-like monsters may not be entirely made up. The last one is the kraken of Norway. Sonar scans conducted in the Norwegian fjords in 2010 showed a massive moving object that was almost 30 meters long and glided soundlessly beneath the water. Both scientists and locals were perplexed. Was it the actual kraken of maritime mythology, a giant squid, or an unidentified species? No solid proof was found in spite of numerous expeditions. There is a lot of space for conjecture and fear because the deep fjords are still mainly uncharted. The ocean remains the last great frontier on Earth, full of mysteries that challenge our understanding of life, history, and reality itself. And don't forget to subscribe for part 2.